Welcome, my friends. We are studying mathematics first term for grade 6, and this is performance tasks. Now we are solving model number 1 and 2. Let's go. Starting with model number 1. Model number 1, start with question A. Choose the suitable to complete the following. Now we have choices here. Okay, and we have 5 points to answer. Okay, every point I will choose one of these choices to put. Okay, start with point number 1. We have here 2 and quarter minus 1 and 5/8. I need to subtract. Okay, but look here, we have mixed number minus another mixed number. Okay, I will subtract first fractions, then whole numbers. Look here, when you need to subtract 1 over 4 minus 5 over 8, no way. Why? There is difference between denominators. Now we need to make this denominator like each other. How? Now I have 8. This is the greatest one, right? Okay, now I need to make this 4 to become 8. How? I know that 1 over 4 equal what? Over 8. Yes, here we multiply 2. Right? Now if I multiply 2 by 1, that's equal 2. Now quarter equal 2/8. Now I can say that this question will be 8 and 2 over 8 minus 1 and 5 over 8. Okay? Okay. Next step, look at the fraction and fraction here. We have fraction 2 over 8, 5 over 8. Is this impossible to subtract 5 from 2? Yes? Okay. Now I need to borrow 1 from this 2 to add it to this fraction, then subtract. How? Look at me. This 2, I will split it to 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Why? Then add this 1 to 2 over 8. How? I will make 1 as 8 over 8. Why? Because here I have 8. I have 8. Now, when you add this 8 over 8 to 2 over 8, it will be 10 over 8. Now, this question will be, I take 1 from this 2, we have remain 2. And 8 over 8 plus 2 over 8, it's 10 over 8 minus 1 and 5 over 8. Now I can subtract 5 from 10. 10 minus 5, this will be 5 over 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0. As whole number 0, there is no need to write this 0 here. Now our answer will be 5 over 8. Look here to these choices. We have 5 over 8 here. Now write the finished answer here, 5 over 8. Next we have question number 2, minus 1 and half and minus 4. So greater than or less than. We know that 1 and half less than 4. But minus 1 and half and minus 4, it's the opposite. Why? Because minus 4 is to the left of minus 1 and half. Okay, now minus 1 and half greater than minus 4. Greater than. Choose this one. Third, 0.75 space to the set of rational number. Note with me, this is decimal number and we have rational number. Okay, belong or subset. We know that I use belong between what? Just number and set. we use belong or doesn't belong. Okay, but set between what? Subset between two sets. When you have set and another set, I use subset or not subset. Okay, now we have just number and set, so I will use belong. I will use belong to set of rational number. Point 4, absolute value of minus 4. Absolute value doing what with any number out of the absolute value, it must be positive number. So absolute value of 4 will be 4. Absolute value of minus 4 also it's 4. It's permanent as positive number. So absolute value of minus 4, it will equal what? Equal 4. Last point here we have 5. In the equation y equal 3x. If x equal 4, then the value of y equal what? Now we have equation and substitute. What? Yeah, I will substitute x equal 4 here. Why? To get the value of y. Look with me. Here we have y equal what? I know that y equal 3x. And x equal 4. So 3x, that means 3 pi x. X equal what? Equal 4. So 3 pi 4 equal 12. Look here, you have 12. Now we finished the first question of model number 1. Let's go to question P. Question P. Using the following set of values 7, 3, 3, 13, 10 and 6. Choose a card from the group P suits group A as follow. Now we have group A, we have 3 cards here, mean, mood, range. And group B, we have 4 numbers, 3, 13, 10, 7. I need to match from A to B. Okay, start with the first point, the mean. What? The mean. To find the mean of any group of number like this group, okay, we have 3 ways: balance point, or fair share, or the rule. What's the rule? The rule says that the mean is the sum of values over the number of them. Okay. Now the sum of values, please add these values. We have 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 13 plus 10 plus 6 over what? Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now that's equal what? We have 7 plus 3, 10 plus 3 with 13. 13 plus 13 equal 26. 26 plus 10 equals 36. Plus 6 equal 42. With me? Okay, now over 6. 42 over 6 equal what? What is the number? Multiply 6 equal 42. It's 7. Now the mean is what? 7. Okay, 2. Card of the mood. What is the mood? The most occurs number. Look here, we have 7, 3, 3, 13, 10, 6. What is the repeated number here? 3. So 3 is the mood. Where 3 is here. So 3 is the mood. Okay, we said that the mean 7 and the mood 3. Now we need to find the range. What is the range of this value? The range is what? Is the maximum one minus the minimum value. Now we have the maximum value here, 13, minus the minimum value here, we have 3. That's equal what? That's equal 10. So the range is 10. Now we finished model number 1. Let's go to the model number 2. Model number 2. First question A. Using the following Venn diagram, find the greatest common factor, GCF, of the quotient of the following division operation. what? You have two division operation, number 1 and number 2. So after you find the quotient of each of them, okay, you will get two numbers here, right? Okay, after you find these two numbers, you have to find the GCF between these two numbers. Let's go. First, I know the way of long division. We have 264 divided 22. Remember with me, start with the first point from the left side. Okay, you have 2. Is it possible to divide 2 by 22? No way. So take this number with you. So we have 26 divided by 22. It's okay, it's maybe 26 have how many 22? 26 have just one 22. So write the one here or here. No, above the last digit we take with us. So write 1 here. Look with me. 1 by 22. It's 22. Now it's turn to subtract. 26 minus 22 is 4. Okay, now divide 4 by 22. It's impossible. Okay, so what's the solution here? Just drop down this 4 and put it here. Now I have 44 divided 22. 44 divided 22, that's easy. It's equal to y. 2 multiply 22, of course, equal 44. Now I have here 2. Okay, 2 by 22 equal 44. Now turn to subtract. We have 0 remainder. Now our quotient, our first quotient equal 12. Okay, I need to do this. That's the same idea to solute the next division operation. Long division of 270 divided 15. Start with 2. 2 divided 15? No way. Take with you 7. Now I have 27 divided 15. 27 divided 15. 27, just include just 1 15. So write 1 here, above 2 or above 7, above 7. Here we have nothing here. Okay, now 1 multiply 15 equal 15. Turn to subtract. 7 minus 5 equal 2. 2 minus 1 equal 1. Now I have here 12 divided 15. No way. Why? Because 12 less than 15. I need to drop what? To drop this 0. I have here 120 divided 15. I don't know what's the quotient here. Now I may do some trials. What trial? Just try. We have 15 by what? By 10. 15 by 10 equal what? Equal 150, right? Look here, 150 is greater than 120. So this trial is false trial. Try another one. 15 by 8. 8 by 5 equal 40, 0 and carry up 1. 8 by 1 equal 8 plus 4 equal 12. Oh, I have here 120, just this number. 120, 120. So what's the number I write here, digit here? Just write 8. 8 above 0. Now I have 8 multiply 15 here, 120. Time to subtract equals 0. No remainder, and this is our quotient. So the second quotient here is 18. Now I have two numbers, okay, 12 and 18. Okay, so this circle will be for what? Maybe 12, and the other circle for 18. Okay, now what the next? I need to prime factorization these two numbers. How to prime this factorization these two numbers? With me, I have here 12, right? 12 is not a prime number. So to prime factorization this number, start with what? The smallest prime number 2. 2 by what equal 12? 2 by 6. So 2 is a prime circle and 6 is not prime. It's need to factorization it. 6. 2 by what equals 6? 2 by 3. Note with me, 2 prime, 3 is prime. Now I finished prime factorization of 12. Go to next number. We have 11. Start with what? Start with 2. 2 by what equal 18? 2 by 9. 2 is prime, but 9 no. Okay? 9. 2 by what equal 9? There is no 2 by any number equal 9. Okay? Now try 3. 3 is a prime number. 3 by what? 3 by 3. So these two numbers are prime. Now we finished prime factorization of 12 and 18. Now look with me. You must be here this space, this intersect of these two circles, I will write the common factor. Here we have 2 and 2, so I will write 2 here. Here we have 3 and here we have 3, I will write 3 here. But we have here 2 and 3. It's not common factors between 12 and 18. So this circle for 12, what factor here? We have 2 here. And here we have 3. Write 3 to the circle of 18. Now we finish the Venn diagram, but I need to find what? GCF. GCF comes from what? From the common factor. I have 2 and 3. Just multiply 2 by 3 to find GCF as 6. And now we finished the first question of problem number 2. Let's go to question P. Question P. The following graphical representation shows a number of studying hours to student. Number of studying hours to student. Answer the following question. We have 3 questions. I will answer it from this graph. Okay? Okay. The first question, how many students studied for 6 to 7? He asked us for the interval from 6 to 7, where here we have 6 to 7. How many students here? Look, go there, we have just 1 student. So our solution is 1 student. Okay, question 2. How many students studied 4 hours or more? What? 4 or more? So start with 4, maybe 5, maybe 6, 7, and so on. So look here. Start with 4 and more, all of these intervals. So I will start with this interval and take this one and this one. Okay. Is all more than 4. So start with this interval. This interval we have 4 plus this interval 1. Last interval here we have 6. 4 plus 1 equal 5 plus 6 equal 11 student. Last question here, how many students does the data represent? How many students does the data represent? All students. That means I need to the sum of all students of all intervals. The first interval here we have what? We have 5. The second one we have 2. The third interval 4. The fourth interval we have 1. And the last interval we have 6. Now 5 plus 2 equals 7 plus 4 equal 11. Okay, 11 plus 1 equal 12. 12 plus 6 equal 18 students. That's all students of this representation. Now we've finished model number 2 of the performance task. I wish you good time and see you at model number 3 and number 4. Goodbye.